cheaper household appliances, simplified return filing. GST Council brings cheer to middle class. Bizmen Interim Finance Minister Piyush Goyal said apart from revenue collection, the GST Council would also focus on job creation and growth. New Delhi, the Goods and Services Tax (GST) Council on Saturday cut rates on several items, including the exemption of 12% levy on sanitary napkins. Addressing the media, Interim Finance Minister Piyush Goyal said, every state wanted that the rates on these items be lowered so that the middle-income households are benefited. It has also been decided that the GST Council will rise above revenue consideration and focus more on job creation and economic growth. The move is seen as part of an effort by the Narendra Modi government to counter resentment before the 2019 general elections over the way GST was hurriedly implemented last year, hitting public as well as businessmen. The products exempted from GST include deities made of stone, marble or wood, Rockies, without precious stones and saw leaves. In major relief to middle-class consumers, the council reduced the tax on lithium-ion batteries, vacuum cleaners, food grinders, mixers, storage water heaters, hair dryers, paint varnishes, water coolers, perfumes, toilet sprays and cosmetics to 18% from the 28% slab. While the GST on footwear up to 1,000 rupees was reduced by 5%, that on handbags, jewelry boxes, artware of glass and ornamental framed mirrors was lowered to 12%. Tax rate on ethanol has been slashed to 5% from 18% at present. Announcing that the new tax rates would be applicable from July 27, Goyal said traders with turnover up to 5 crore rupees will deposit the tax monthly but file returns just once a quarter. He added that reverse charge mechanism had been stalled till September 30, 2019. Reverse charge is a mechanism where the recipient of the goods and/or services is liable to pay GST instead of the supplier. The minister said return forms would be simplified into formats. It will be different for composite dealers and for B2B or B2C dealers. It will be simplified into two formats, Shugam and Sahaj, he said. The exemption limit for traders in Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Himalaya and Sikkim has been increased from 10 lakh rupees to 20 lakh. In good news for transporters, the minister said, soon, we will link RFID tags with Goods and Services Tax Network (GSTN) for transporters. This will reduce their harassment. Also, a chance will be given till August 31 for businesses to migrate to the GST regime and late fee would be waived off, Goyal said. He said besides revenue collection, the GST Council would focus on job creation and growth and added that the Council had cleared 46 amendments which would be passed in Parliament. In the services sector, the hotel industry too has been given major relief as GST on accommodation service will now be based on transaction value instead of declared value. GST at the rate of 28% is levied if a hotel room rent exceeds 7,500 rupees. Between 2,500 rupees to below 7,500 rupees GST is levied at 18% and for that of 1,000 rupees and below 2,500 rupees, it is 12%. Also, the tax rate on supply of e-books has been cut to 5% from 18%. Today's decisions of the Council will go a long way in pushing productivity upward. Arun Jaitley, at Arun Jaitley, the 21st of July 2018. This is a major step towards rationalizing the 28% tax slab which has been narrowed to only a few commodities in the past 13 months. Arun Jaitley, at Arun Jaitley, the 21st of July 2018. Though the rate reductions are estimated to cost the government exchequer nearly 8,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees crore, the minister said, 100 items will be impacted by today's decision. Today's revenue foregone is good for our consumers and MSME participants. Earlier, the Council had revised tax rates on 29 items in January. The biggest rate rationalization decision was taken by the Council in November 2017 when over 200 items were brought into lower tax brackets from 28%, 18%, and 12%. The next GST Council meeting will be held on August 4, which will discuss issues relating to the micro, small and medium enterprises (MSME) sector as well as ways to incentivize digital transaction via RuPay cards and BIM app. With PTI inputs.